How to save YouTube videos to watch offline. This tutorial shows you how to download videos for later using YouTube's own built-in feature. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, find the video you want to save. From there, tap on the download icon below the video, usually shown as a downward arrow. At this point, choose your preferred video quality from the options shown, like standard or high. In the next step, tap download to start saving the video. Following this, wait a few moments while the video downloads to your device. Once done, tap on the U icon at the bottom right to check your saved content. From here, tap on Downloads to see every video you've saved for offline viewing. At this stage, tap on any video from this list to watch it, even without an internet connection. Keep in mind, offline downloads through YouTube require a YouTube Premium subscription, and downloaded videos automatically expire after a set period unless you're online again to refresh them. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've saved the videos you want available offline. And that's it. If this guide helped you save YouTube videos to watch offline, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.